As the coronavirus pandemic continues to spread, we have been hearing more and more well known names tied to the disease, from athletes to actors and everyone in between. Here is the list of confirmed celebrity COVID 19 cases. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, now subscribe and press the bell icon button to get latest notifications. Number 1. Bachchan family. Bollywood Amitabh Bachchan is the latest celebrity to test positive for coronavirus. Big B has been currently admitted to Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai for treatment. Reportedly, Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai and their daughter Aradhya Bachchan has also tested positive for coronavirus and all are undergoing treatment at Nanavati Hospital. Number 2. Rachel White. Actress Rachel White has tested positive for coronavirus. Rachel took to Twitter and confirmed that she has contracted the deadly virus and is home quarantined now. Please keep me in your prayers as it set off on my path to recovery, Rachel tweeted. Wishing her speedy recovery, netizen asked her to take proper care of herself. Number 3. Mikhail Mishustin. Russian Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin said that he has tested positive for the new coronavirus, becoming highest ranking Russian official known to have gotten infected. Mishustin told President Vladimir Putin during a video call that he would self-isolate but planned to stay in touch on a key policy issues. Number 4. Rustu Rekber. Former Turkey goalkeeper Rustu Rekber has been taken to hospital after testing positive for the coronavirus and is currently in a critical period. His wife said, "We have taken my husband Rustu to hospital with a COVID-19 diagnosis. While everything was normal, we are still in shock by the sudden and rapidly developing symptoms," Isil Rekber said on her Instagram account, adding that her and her 2 children had all tested negative. Number 5. Parth Santan. Kasauti Zindagi Ke fame actor Parth Santan has tested positive for coronavirus. Parth took to social media to confirm that he has contracted the deadly virus. He also urged all those who came in contact with him lately to get themselves tested. He had been shooting for the show over the past few days. Producer Ekta Kapoor has also issued a statement confirming the case. Number 6. Novak Djokovic. Serbian tennis player Novak Djokovic confirmed that he has contracted coronavirus. Djokovic's wife Jelena has also been diagnosed with virus, while their 2 children tested negative for COVID-19. Number 7. Madonna. Through the latest edition of her Quarantine Diaries series, American singer-songwriter Madonna revealed that she has been tested positive for coronavirus antibodies. The 61-year-old singer took to Instagram to make the announcement and posted a video of herself on IGTV. Number 8. Yaakov Litzman. Israel's health minister Yaakov Litzman has been put into isolation after being tested positive for COVID-19, pushing all the top officials including Mossad chief Yossi Cohen and National Security Advisor Meir Ben Shabbat at the forefront of the fight against the deadly virus into self-quarantine. Number 9. Kevin Durant. NBA star Kevin Durant is among the 4 basketball players from Brooklyn Nets who have tested positive for the coronavirus. It is unclear whether Durant is showing symptoms for the novel coronavirus or no. The injured Durant, who is yet to play for the Nets since signing for the club last year, confirmed to the Athletic website he has been diagnosed with the coronavirus. Number 10. Anupam Kher's mother. Bollywood actor Anupam Kher's mother, Dulari Kher, has tested positive for coronavirus and has been admitted to a city hospital. The actor took to social media to announce the news. "This is to inform all that my mother Dulari is found COVID-19 positive. We have admitted her into Kokilaben Hospital. My brother, Bobby and niece, in spite of being careful, to have also tested positive. I got myself tested as well and I have tested negative," he tweeted. Number 11. Shahid Afridi. Former Pakistan cricketer Shahid Afridi took to social media to announce that he has been tested positive for the coronavirus. "I have been feeling unwell since Thursday. My body had been acting badly. I have been tested and unfortunately I am COVID positive. Need prayers for a speedy recovery, Inshallah," Afridi wrote on Twitter. Number 12. Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson. Hollywood megastar Tom Hanks and his wife Rita Wilson have tested positive for the new coronavirus while in Australia for a film project, the Oscar-winning US actor revealed. Number 13. Boris Johnson. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he has tested positive for the novel coronavirus and is in isolation. Over the last 24 hours, I have developed mild symptoms and tested positive for coronavirus. I am now self-isolating, but I will continue to lead the government's response via video conference as we fight this virus, he said in a tweet. Number 14. Daniel Rugani. Juventus and Italy defender Daniel Rugani told fans, "Don't worry, I am fine," after becoming the first Serie A football to test positive for the new coronavirus. Number 15. Kanika Kapoor. Singer Kanika Kapoor of Baby Doll fame admitted that she has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. Reportedly, she is the first Indian celebrity to have become a victim of COVID-19. Kanika urged her fans to take proper precautions amid the coronavirus outbreak. Number 16. Kiran Kumar. Kiran Kumar tested positive for the novel coronavirus on May 14, which the 74-year-old veteran actor confirmed to us. Kumar, however, said he didn't experience any symptoms. The actor learned about it when he went to a hospital for a minor medical procedure 10 days ago. Before undergoing the procedure, the hospital asked him to get a few preliminary tests done, in which COVID-19 test was also included as a precautionary measure. Number 17. Olivia Nikanen. Actor Olivia Nikanen, best known for her roles on shows The Society and Supergirl, says she has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. The 21-year-old actor shared a healthy update while appearing on Instagram. Number 18. Prince Charles. Prince Charles, the elder son to Queen Elizabeth II, is showing mild symptoms of the new coronavirus but otherwise remains in good health, his office said. The 71-year-old and his wife Camilla, who does not have COVID-19, are currently self-isolating in Scotland. Number 19. Donovan Mitchell. Utah Jazz star Donovan Mitchell has tested positive for coronavirus. Donovan confirmed the report on Instagram and thanked everyone who had reached out to him since hearing about his positive test. Number 20. Christopher Ivju. Game of Thrones and the fate of the furious actor Christopher Ivju has revealed that he has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. Christopher is most famous for playing Tormund Giantsbane on the HBO series Game of Thrones. Did I miss any celebrity who tested positive for coronavirus? If yes, do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.